Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I, as moderator from my group 6, we will to explain about three states of matter. But first, I want to introduce my member of group. The first, there are Rona Wiretiani behind NPM 07, and the second, Dewi Asrini Aprilia, the behind NPM 81, and Dinda Aulia behind NPM 65, and the last Trisna Amana to behind NPM 59. We know matter occurs in three states: are solid, liquid, and gases. If you want to know more about states of matter, let's watch and listen to our group's explanation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Rona Wiretiani. Here I want to explain about solid. A solid is a state of matter characterized by particles arranged such that their shape and volume are relatively stable. The constituents of the solid tends to be packed together much closer than the particles in a gas or liquid. The reason a solid has a rigid shape is that the atom or molecules are tightly connected via chemical bonds. The bonding might produce either a regular lattice, as seen in ice, metals, and crystals, or an amorphous shape, as seen in glass or amorphous carbon. A solid is one of the three fundamental states of matter, along with liquid and gases. Solid state physics and solid state chemistry are two branches of science dedicated to studying the properties and synthesis of solid. And then we must know about example of solid. The matter with a defined shape and volume is solid. There are many examples. The first, a bridge or a penny, a piece of wood, a chunk of aluminum metals, or any metals at room temperature except mercury. And the last, diamond, and most other crystals. After we must the example and what the meaning about solid, we must know about classes of solid. The different types are chemical bonds that join the particles in solids exert characteristics first that can be used to classify solid. Ion bonds, example in table salt and NaCl, and strong bonds that often result in crystalline structures that many dissociate to form ions in water. Covalent bonds, example in sugar, are such as involve the sharing of valency electrons. Electrons in metals seem to flow because of metallic bonding. Organic compounds often contain covalent bonds and interactions between separate portions of the molecule due to van der Waals force. Major classes of solid include the first, mineral. Minerals are natural solids formed by geological processes. A mineral has a uniform structure. Examples include diamond, salt, and mica. The second, metals. Solid metals include elements, example silver, and alloy, example steel. Metals are typical hard, ductile, malleable, and excellent conductors of heat and electricity. The third, ceramic. Ceramic are solid consisting of inorganic compounds, usually oxide. Ceramic tend to be hard, brittle, and corrosion resistant. The fourth, organic solid. Organic solid include polymer, wax, plastic, and wood. Most of these solids are thermal and electrical insulator. They typically have lower melting and boiling points than metals or ceramic. The 5 composite materials. Composite materials are those which contain 2 or more phases. An example would be a plastic containing carbon fibers. These materials yield properties not seen in the source components. And the semiconducting solids have electrical properties intermediate between those of conductor and insulator. The solid may be either pure element, compounds, or drop materials. Examples include silicon and gallium arsenide. And the last, nanomaterial. Nanomaterials are tiny solid particles at the nanometer size. This solid may display very different physical and chemical properties from large-scale versions of the same materials. For example, gold nanoparticles are red and melt at a lower temperature than gold metal. Only that. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dewi Astrini Aprilia. I will explain about the liquid phase. Liquid, or commonly denoted by L, is substance whose material phase is liquid. A liquid is something that is incompressible and conforms to the shape of its container but maintains a constant volume regardless pressure. The density of a liquid usually close to that of a solid and much higher than that of a gas. Liquid nature. 1. The shape changes according to the place but the volume remains. 2. The arrangement of particles is irregular. 3. The distance between the particles is rather far apart. 4. The force of attraction between the particles is weak. Difference between liquid and aqueous. Liquid is something covered with aqueous, which is basically two different substances. Aqueous is homogeneous mixture in the form of a solution, usually a solid dissolved in water, while liquid is a true liquid. Arrangement of liquid particles. The particles of molecule of a liquid are illustrated as in the following figure. The location of the particle is less dense. The motion of the particle is width-free. Particles can move but do not live because there is still a force of attraction. The shape is easy change according to the place, but the volume remains.
Hello, my name is Dinda Aulia with NPM 65. I will continue the third of matter. The third of matter is gas. Gases have a definite mass, but they do not have a definite shape or volume. Like this, like the balloon. Balloon have a mass, stay the same, but volume and shape will change because gases do not have the same shape and volume. Like liquid, gases take the shape of their container. Unlike liquid, gases will spread out to completely fill the container they are in. If gas is not in a closed container, it will keep spreading out indefinitely. This is because the atoms in a gas are farther apart than atoms in a solid or liquid, and so they can move freely. For example, the air you breathe, it is oxygen. Oxygen is example of gas. You might have noticed that you cannot really see air. Often gases are invisible, but they are still here. There are many different types of gases in Earth's atmosphere, like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium, and water vapor. The fact is that the elements in nature always bond with each other to form compounds. These elements are called diatomic molecules because they bond with each other into like this: hydrogen H2, nitrogen N2, oxygen O2, and others. And next, there are also group A element gases, namely noble gases. Why are they called noble gases? Because in nature, this gas is in stable state and does not bind to other elements like gas, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. So, is a property of gas. Gas has the same volume and shape as its container. Gas is a form of matter that is easily compressed. Gases have a much lower density than liquid and solid. If the gas is not in a closed container, then the gas will mix in the air.
My name is Trisna Manah. I will continue the material is changes in state of matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. The matter changes its states depending on the temperature and pressure. When we fill the tray with water from a tap, then place the tray in a freezer compartment of refrigerator. The freezer is very cold. Freezing. Making ice cubes is the simple example of an event that shows the occurrence of freezing. Water is substance that has liquid state at room. When put in the refrigerator and left for some time, the water will then freeze and form ice cubes. Liquid change into solid is termed as freezing. The temperature at which it occurs is known as the freezing. Melting. If you take the ice cubes from the freezer and place them outside, the ice cubes would absorb heat from the warmer air around them, and it starts to melt. The process of changing a solid to a liquid is called melting. The melting point at which ice turns to water is 0 degrees Celsius. And evaporation. Heat a bowl of water on the stove. After some time, the water starts boiling. Bubbles are formed in the boiling water. The bubbles rise and escapes from the bubble as steam or water vapors. The process in which liquid changes to gas is called evaporation. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Condensation is the process by which the state changes from a gas to a liquid. Condensation is also known as condensation and is the reverse of the evaporation or evaporation process. For example, when hot water is not a glass covered with a glass lid, the glass lid used will gradually condense. In the same way, the water vapors from the sea or rivers moves up the sky and cools down to form clouds. This process in which a gas changes to liquid is known as condensation. Sublimation, for example, dry ice. Dry ice changes into gas directly without changing to liquid. Snow can also change into gas directly in the winter months without melting. The process in which solids directly change to gases is known as sublimation. Deposition is the reverse sublimation. In this process, the gases change into solid directly. Example: snow form in clouds and snow.
Only that explanation about three states of matter from our group. I as moderator in group 6. I'm so sorry if we make mistake in our video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.